Alright, today we are still carrying on with our series on RV solar. I have lots of detailed videos. I have explanations on lots of different things. Today we're going to focus right down on the wire and the connectors that go from the solar panel into your solar charge controller. So if you want to learn about MC4 connections, stick around. Alright, today we are talking about solar wire connectors. Basically this is an MC4 connector. It's rated IP67 or IP68. IP67 will withstand water up to 1 meter deep. IP68 will withstand water up to 1.5 meters deep. So either one of them are fine for the top of an RV. So the way these connectors work, the components, you take it apart. There's a male side, you take it apart, and then inside there is a little rubber seal that squeezes the wire, and then it goes in there like that. And then when you get the wire ready, you put, this is considered the male on the connector and this is considered the female on the wire piece, and they go together. And the male piece like this is black, it's negative. So the way we would assemble this connector is fairly simple. You just put it through here, and then you get the metal piece and you put it on there like that. I would need to trim this up a little bit, definitely, as I do this. And then you get a pair of solar wire crimpers. And this one will crimp, let's see, 10, 12, and 14 gauge wire. And it's also referred to as 6M squared, 4M squared, or 2.5 M squared for 14 gauge, 12 gauge, and 10 gauge. And like I said, you just put this together like that. Put it in the largest part of this crimper. Kabam! Squeeze it together, and then once you would have that together, you would slide this into that piece, bring the seal back up, and bring this piece on, and basically put it together. So that's how you install one of these ends. It's fairly simple. You don't need shrink wrap or anything else. And then the other thing about these connectors is they're designed to go together and lock. There are two tabs right here. So in order to take them apart, you need one of these little tools. They're cheap. You just put that on there like that, and it will squeeze these two tabs apart and let the connector come back apart. You can do it with your fingers, but it's not anywhere near as easy. You just get the little tool, put it on there. You can also use this tool in this orientation, and then this is also like a wrench to help you tighten that down. Two pieces, if you had two of these wrenches, you could really tighten it down. You could put it in there like that, put the other one out here like that, and tighten it together. So that's what's an MC4 connector for your solar wire. I hope that gives you some good information. These are fairly inexpensive. You can buy in any quantity, 2, 4, 6, 24, 12, whatever. And this is from the solar panels. Generally have these connectors down into your RV, down to your solar charge converter, and that uses this type of wire. So you only need connectors on the end of the wire that's up by your solar panels, or if you need to make a patch wire. Patch wires are really quick and easy to make too. So I hope that helps. I hope that's an explanation of what an MC4 connector is for solar panels. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe.